Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we're going to be walking you through how to send an ETA inside of the driver app. To begin, start by opening the driver app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your loads. Next, navigate to the News section of the app and locate the load you want to update. Tap on it to open the load details. Once inside the load, you'll see the option to provide a pickup ETA. The app will show you the scheduled pickup dates, and any dates in red will indicate times that fall outside of the pickup window, such as the next day. If the suggested dates and times don't work for you, select the other option. This will allow you to manually choose the date and time that fits your schedule. After selecting your preferred date and time, tap Submit. On the next screen, you'll see a confirmation message saying shipper will be notified, letting you know that the shipper has been informed of your ETA. After completing the pickup inspection, you can update the delivery ETA. To do this, follow the same steps as providing the pickup ETA. Select the delivery date and time that works best for you, and we'll notify the shipper of this information as well. Next, if you need to adjust an ETA at any time, reopen the load in the app, select Estimated Time for Pickup or Estimated Time for Delivery, and update the information. Don't forget to save your changes and ensure the shipper is notified. And that's it! You now know how to provide and update your pickup and delivery ETAs inside of the driver app. If you have any additional questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@superdispatch.com. Again, thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.